Wagwan family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make rotisserie chicken in the oven. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm going to use to make the rotisserie chicken. So these are the chicken I'm going to use. I just need to clean them and wash them. Each one of them weighs 4 pounds. To season the chicken, I'm going to use some oil, and this is vegetable oil. Here, Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to use black pepper also. I'm going to use onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and some salt. I'm going to stuff the chicken with some fresh thyme. Also, I'm going to use some red cooking wine. For the sauce, I'm going to use some butter, some soy sauce, and honey to baste the chicken. Now I'm going to start off by cleaning the chicken. So first, you want to use a knife and scrape off all of this from here. Now I'm going to cut out all of this. We're not eating this from the chicken, okay? Cut off the tail also. Don't need the tail. Now I have to clean out the inside. All of this have to come out, okay? We're not eating this from the chicken. All of these have to come out. So you just use your finger and clean out all of this. We're not eating nothing from the chicken. So you take your time, no rush, to clean it out. Clean out everything, all of this coming out. This one doing the same exact thing. Cut off all of this. All of this is just skin and fat, okay? And now I'm going to wash out inside of the chicken. Now I'm going to wash the chicken then with lime. This is how your chicken must clean in the inside, okay? We're not eating nothing from the chicken. now I'm going to mix the spice them together. 1 tablespoon onion powder, tablespoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoon Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, now I'm going to mix them. Before I add the seasoning, I'm going to rub them with the oil, just for the seasoning to stick onto them. I'm going to coat them down with the oil. Alright, now I'm going to add the seasoning. So you want to make sure you get the seasoning inside, okay? We're gonna season underneath the skin. This one is same. Now they finished the season. As you could see, I seasoned the inside perfectly. Underneath the skin also, to get the flavor. So this is it. So this is the wrap I'm going to hang the chicken on. So here I'm going to add some cooking wine inside here, so red cooking wine. Alright, now I'm going to put the chicken on it. Going to tie the legs them together. So here I push the fresh thyme inside of the chicken them. Now I have my oven preheated at 375 degrees. I'm going to put them inside the oven for an hour and 15 minutes. Going to make the glaze. We're going to start off by melting the butter. Now I'm going to add the honey. And this is 1/3 cup of honey. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So now I'm going to take out the chicken and glaze them with the sauce. So okay, so hour since them in the oven. So I take them out. I'm just going to brush the sauce on them. So now I'm going to put them back inside the oven for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, they're ready to serve. So this is how my rotisserie chicken them look when them finish. Nice and juicy, cooked to perfection. So please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.